When traveling in a camper, every inch of kitchen space matters. That's why I designed this, the ultimate double IKEA hack. A heavy-duty, rattle-free spice rack made with a LÄMPLIG trivet and custom 3D printed clamps for CITRONHAJ spice jars. Here's how I made it. You don't need any supports to print the holders. These are all the printed parts you'll need. The bar of the trivet fits neatly between the two hooks. The fit is intentionally very tight to prevent any rattling while driving. Each holder prints in 2 pieces and is assembled with an M3 button head bolt and an M3 nut. First, place the M3 nut into the hexagonal recess on the back of the bottom part. This is also a very tight fit. You'll need to pull the nut fully into the recess. If the fit is too loose, the nut could fall out. Hold the nut in place with your finger and tighten the bolt firmly. The bolt will pull the nut completely into its recess. Once the nut is fully seated, remove the bolt again, just like I'm showing you here. Now it's time to attach the holder to the trivet. Hook both parts around the trivet bar, insert the M3 button head bolt from the inside and tighten it into the nut. Be sure to use a button head bolt. The bottom of the spice jar rests on the head of the bolt, which supports the jar and prevents it from falling through the holder while you're driving. It can be a little fiddly, so be patient. Here's the backside. This is how I'm going to use my rattle-free spice rack in my camper van. Let's go. And here's the finished result. You'll find the free STL file in the description and the pinned comment. See you in the next video. Ma.